discovered the Bosch process which you were asking to me? You read that?
Yes, sir. It is not written. Yes.
It should be written.
No, sir. It is not written. How discovered the Bosch process?
Bosch process was discovered most probably by Sir Bosch. Bosch. So commercial preparation of hydrogen by Bosch process. Right? So what happens in this? You know, red hot coke, steam passed over red hot coke. Steam passed over red hot coke. So you get what? H2 plus CO, which we call water gas. Right? And this water gas H2 plus CO with water, I hope. Is it?
Yes, sir.
It is with water, combining with water.
Yes, sir. H2 CO plus H2, it is saying H2 plus CO.
Water gas with steam.
Yes, sir. Hot coke plus steam plus water gives water gas.
Water gas हो या फिर water gas plus steam,
yes,
that is H2O, combines together and gives you CO2 plus what? What it is giving? CO2
plus 2H2.
CO2 plus
water gas plus steam gives CO2 plus 2H2.
2H2
plus triangle
plus energy. And this occurs at 450 degrees Celsius of temperature.
Yes, sir.
And in the presence of Fe2O3.
Yes, sir.
Fe2O3. This is the catalyst, and this is the temperature at which, at this temperature, this carbon dioxide gases, this we obtain. Now this carbon dioxide and H2O is passed through KOH, potassium hydroxide. So carbon di CO2 get absorbed, right? from the mixture, and from this mixture is passed with, क्या लिखा है, copper to chloride.
So this mixture is
with
which act this the water is mixed with excess steam and passed over heat ferric oxide.
अरे यार वो नहीं, मैं दिस मिक्सचर जो बन रहा है हमारा, ये फिर ऊपर इधर लिखा होगा क्यूप्रस क्लोराइड लिखा है, क्या लिखा है ऊपर, इधर उस पेज पे ऊपर.
So it is written that
Cuprous
chloride.
Cuprous. This mixture is passed. This mixture is passed through cuprous chloride. So carbon monoxide removed, right? And we get dry hydrogen gas. This is we have Boss process. So what problem you have in this? This is steam is passed with red hot coke and we get water gas. This water gas, further steam is treated in the presence of Fe2O3 and 450 degrees Celsius temperature. We are getting carbon dioxide plus hydrogen gas plus energy, and then this mixture is passed with KOH, so carbon dioxide get absorbed, and now mixture is passed with cuprous chloride, so carbon monoxide is absorbed and we get dry hydrogen gas. This is commercial preparation of hydrogen by Boss process. So what problem you have in this?
Like in summary, if you have to write then.
So this is we have. Right. Now how you prepare it with by electrolysis? Should I rub?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if we rub now by electrolysis of water. So by preparation of hydrogen by electrolysis of water, right? So as we know water is poor conductor it should be pure water is poor conductor. So add few drops of acid. So that is H2SO4. It becomes acidulated. Now what happens if So first H2SO4 is undergo electrolysis and form 2H plus SO4 2 minus. Then H2O goes, then you get H plus, this is 2 you take here, so you get 2H plus 2OH 1 minus. And in electrochemical series, chemical series OH minus is least reactive. So goes to anode. So here at anode, what happens? 2OH minus plus 2OH minus is giving you 2H2O plus O2 gas. This O2 gas is formed and there are 4 electrons comes out. 4 electrons comes out in this process at anode. So what is happening at anode? Loss of electrons. So oxidation occurs. Oxidation. And at cathode, cathode 2 plus 2 become 4. This is H plus. So 4H plus, 2H plus 2H plus is combining and combines with 4 hydrogen, 4 electrons and giving you 2H2 hydrogen gas. So at cathode you get hydrogen gas. Cathode get hydrogen gas. And this is reduction. This is called reduction, right? So at cathode reduction, at anode oxidation. This reaction takes place. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
This is, we have commercial preparation of hydrogen by electrolysis and Bosch process, right?